Here's a quick tutorial on how to create cinematic black bars using your smartphone. Here's our footage to work on. First, go to Effects, Video Effects, Basic, then look for the movie effect. Extend the effect throughout the video. Next go to Effects, Basic, then put the horizontal open effect. That's all for this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys find this tutorial helpful. Please subscribe if you like this video or thumbs up. See you on the next video.